Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, let's see. I was almost right yesterday. Let's see what's in day 21 of the Uniquely Creative Advent box. Alright. Oh, there's like a stick there, so I think it could be rub-ons. Let's see. Yes, I'm right. These are definition rub-ons. So I think it is it one sheet? Let me have a look if I can open that. Yes, it is one sheet, and it is basically the definitions of the words. So for dream, we have a series of images, events, and feelings that happen in your mind while you are asleep. A wish to have or be something, especially one that seems difficult to achieve. So it's got all different sort of meanings. That would be really, really pretty in the background of something. Or you can make the smaller ones an actual focus point as well. Very, very nice. Alrighty, we are nearly at the end, guys. Join me tomorrow for day 23. I think we're up to day 23. No, there should be a 22 somewhere. There we are, day 22 tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.